Magandang buhay. Ang pag-uusapan natin ay ang difference of two squares. Difference of two squares is the product of sum and difference of two square roots, wherein we have a squared negative b squared equals to a plus b, a minus b. Sum, positive, difference, negative. So sum plus and minus. A squared negative b squared. A square, this one is perfect square, and therefore the square root of a squared is a. Then b square, it means the square root of b square is b. So a and a, b and b. Let us check multiply a plus b, a minus b using FOIL method. A times a is a squared. Then a multiplied to negative b is negative ab. Then inner b multiply a, we have positive ab. Outer b multiplied to negative b is negative b squared. Then combine the similar term. You combine outer and inner. Since pareho lang sila, you cancel out and therefore a squared negative b squared. So therefore, this will be your product. So ito yung product natin. And this will be the factor form. Ito. So therefore, ito na yung magiging pattern natin. Kukunin mo lang yung two square roots and then i-connect mo yung positive at saka yung negative sign. Be sure na alam mo yung multiplication table at alam mo yung mga perfect square. Like for example, yung 1 squared is 1, 2 squared means 4, 3 squared means 9, 4 squared means 16, 5 squared means 25. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So ito yung mga perfect square. Ito yung mga red. These are the perfect squares number. Example number 1. Factor x squared negative 25. So x squared 25. So x squared is perfect square and therefore we have x and x. Then it can be also x squared. Kasi x squared, it means x squared. 5 times 5, that will be your 25, and the square root of 25 is 5. And therefore we have 5 squared. Then x squared negative 25. So ito yung given natin. Then ang magiging sagot natin equals x plus 5, x minus 5. X 5. Then, using positive, negative, positive, negative. Therefore, this will be your factor form and this will be your answer. So, madali lang siya. So, get the square root of the first term, get the square root of the second term, and then connect the sign positive and negative. O kaya, pwede rin siyang baliktad. Pwede ito negative, pwede ito positive. Next, factor x squared, negative 4y squared. So again, yung first term at saka yung last term, kailangan tinitignan natin kung perfect square sila. So kapag hindi sila perfect square, hindi siya pwede. So first term is x squared, second term is 4y squared. So these are perfect squares. Then we have x and x, that will be your x squared. It means x and x, or x squared. For y squared, it means the square root of 4 is 2. 2. Then y squared, it means y and y. And then we have 2y squared. Then we have x squared negative 4y squared. So this will be our given. And then the answer will be x plus 2y, x minus 2y. So that will be your answer. So x plus 2y, x minus 2y. Number 3, factor 16a squared negative 81b squared. Perfect squared ba ang 16? Perfect squared ba ang 81? So the answer is yes. 16a squared, 81b squared. 16, it means 4 multiply 4 because the number that multiply by itself is 4. Say 4 times 4 is 16. Then a squared means a and a, or it can be 4a squared. 81b squared. It means 9 times 9, 81. Then b, then b. Or it can be 9b squared. And therefore, 16a squared negative 81b squared is 4a plus 9b multiplied to 4a minus 9b. So again, positive, negative. So again, pwede itong negative, pwede itong positive. Kasi pareho lang naman. So kung titingnan mo, pareho-pareho yung first term, pareho-pareho yung last term. Ang pagkakaiba lang is positive, then negative. And therefore, this will be your answer. Next, factor 25m to the power of 4, then negative 36n to the power of 10. Then, tignan natin yung first term at saka yung last term. 25 perfect square ba? 36 perfect square ba? And the answer is yes. 25m to the power of 4, 36n to the power of 10. First and then last. 25, it means 5 times 5. M to the power of 4, it means m squared, m squared. Then it can be 5m squared raised to the second power. 36n to the power of 10. 36, it means the square root of 36, it means 6 times 6. Or the square root of 36 is 6. Then we have 10, 5, and 5. Kasi minsan, nahihirapan tayo dun sa factor ng variable, yung exponent ng variable. So, ang gagawin mo para hindi ka mahirapan, yung 4, kalahati ng 4, or divided into 2, 2 and 2. 10, 5 and 5. So, kung kapag 7 siya, hindi siya pwedeng i-factor. Next, it can be 6 and to the 5th power, then raised to the 2nd power. And therefore, 25m to the 4th power minus 36n to the power of 10 equals to 5m squared positive 6n to the power of 5 multiplied to 5m squared negative 6n to the power of 5. So this will be your answer. So very simple, very easy. Next, number 5, factor 100p to the power of 6 minus 49r to the power of 10. 100p to the power of 6. 100, it means 10 times 10. Then 6. So again, i-divide mo lang yung exponent ng p. So magiging divided into 2, 6, 3 times, 3 plus 3. So 6. So 6 divided into 2 is 3. And then it can be 10p to the 3rd power raised to the 2nd power. 49r raised to the 10th power. So ang ibig sabihin nun, 7 times 7. Because 7 times 7 is 49. Then 5, 5. Bakit 5? Kasi 10 divided into 2 is 5. Then if you add this, according to the law of exponent, kasi kapag multiplication, add the exponent. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Or it can be 7r to the 5th power raised to the 2nd power. And this will be your answer. So 10p to the 3rd power plus 7r to the power of 5, then 10p raised to the 3rd power, then minus 7r raised to the 5th power. Factor 121 minus b to the power of 4 or raised to the 4th power. 121 perfect square ba yung 121? Yung b to the 4th power, perfect square ba? The answer is yes. 121, it means 11 times 11 because 11 times 11 is 121 or 11 squared. Then b to the 4th power, it means b raised to the 2nd power multiplied to b raised to the 2nd power or b to the 2nd power then raised to the 2nd power. And therefore, 121 b to the 4th power equals to 11 plus b raised to the 2nd power multiplied to 11 negative p raised to the 2nd power. So again, look at the connected sign, positive, negative, or it can be negative, positive. So madali lang siya. Okay? So 11, 11, ayun yung 11 and 11, b at saka yung b, ayun yung b at saka yung b. Then connected sign, positive, negative. So this will be your answer. Okay, thank you for watching. And I hope you learn something. Bye.